How to put NGL link on Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing, make sure that you have downloaded and installed your NGL application on your device. So just go to the Play Store and then tap on NGL. Now check for any updates if they are available. If not, then you can tap on open directly and it will lead you to the interface of NGL application. Now as you tap on NGL, make sure that you're logged in. And when you log in, you'll be getting a view like this. So here you need to copy a link, select on OK. After that, step 2 is to share link on your story. So just tap on share. Link can be shared only on Insta, Twitter and Snapchat. So just select on next step and share on Instagram. Now what it does is it takes you to the Instagram story of your profile, and then you can hear the link. So just tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen and you get the option of link down below, and you can just paste the link that you had copied. Select on paste. Now done. Now we just put that link in that box. Yeah, okay. So after that, tap on your story and just post it to your story. This way you will link your NG link to your Instagram story. Now as a story gets published, go to your profile and check your story once. Tap on your story and here you can see the option of Facebook at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on that and tap on share the story to Facebook, and this will share your Instagram story to Facebook. Now we're going to check that. So just go to the Facebook application and then go to your story, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.